travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be giving you guys this beautiful spring mantle makeover or decorate with me. You guys, if you are oldies but goodie fams, you've seen this already. This is an actual pre-recorded video that I am giving you guys today. As you see a few videos back, maybe 3 or 4 videos back, you guys have seen that I've been kind of giving you guys pre-recorded videos, videos that has already been recorded from last spring. And the reason for that is because y'all know we just kind of moved back into our home, you know, the end of December, early January, and we're still kind of getting situated. You guys, I sold majority of the furniture in my home, so a lot of bedroom stuff has been sold, from my bedroom, the kids' bedrooms, and definitely my dining room. I sold everything in my foyer, so I hardly have any furniture in my home. So right now, I can't even really give you guys like a spring video, so to speak, because I lack furniture, and it makes no sense to decorate an empty home. So we are in the process of purchasing or repurchasing furniture, you guys. I've been going to thrift stores and been looking around in Facebook Marketplace and, you know, everything. Y'all know I love thrifting, and majority of my home is thrifted. So I've just been going around looking for different things and different finds and stuff like that. Unfortunately, I haven't really been finding many pieces, and if I do find something, for some reason, Facebook Marketplace, if any one of you had realized how expensive it has gotten, I'm like, does inflation affect Facebook Marketplace as well? So I've been kind of trying to find different pieces and stuff, but I'm really not having any luck finding anything that I really love to bring into my home. And I'm trying to really be intentional about the things that I bring into my home. I just don't want to buy furniture just to buy it. I am not a trendy person. I don't follow trends. So it's hard for me to find something that I really like, you know, that I really feel like I want to spend money on. So I've been going to like different sites and stuff like that. And I found a few things on Amazon, a few things on Wayfair. But like I said, the price is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm just kind of trying to wait it out and, you know, picking up a few pieces here and there that I've seen in like Marshall's or TJ Maxx, you know, even Walmart. So definitely stay tuned for those videos, because I have some shop with me videos that is coming up. But for now, if you guys don't mind, these are the videos that you're going to be getting for a little while, at least until the first week of March, just because I don't have any videos filmed for you guys. Also, my kids was just on winter recess break, and I kind of wanted to be intentional about spending quality time with them. So I really didn't want to be filming while they were home for the week. I just really wanted to spend, you know, all of my time with them and give them my undivided attention, and, you know, talk and kind of get into their psyche and everything that they, you know, are experiencing as teenagers. Because y'all, Kayla just turned 14, and I have 3 teenagers in my house. Okay, so just dealing with that, and you know, doing the teenage talks and the girlfriend and the boyfriend talks. Y'all pray for me. This is just, I've been praying like, Lord, help me to be a mother to teenagers, okay? Because this is new for me. I don't really know how to navigate this field. I mean, Nyla is our first child. She's 18 years old, but we don't really have to go through any of this with her. You know, so with Mikey and Mikkel, it's new for me. So, you know, so pray for me with that. But I wanted to be intentional about spending time with them for the week, and we had such a blast, you guys, and just the undivided attention that we were able to give them, and it was a fabulous fabulous time. So I am going to be getting into the decorating and things like that for the month of March for spring. I am super excited, y'all. The temperatures are warming up and it just feels amazing. So look forward to those videos that are coming up, spring videos, summer videos, shop with me videos. I am also going to be doing some clean with me videos. So y'all let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. And if you are, Fridays will be the designated day for those type of videos, like shop with me videos, haul videos, cleaning videos, things like that. So thank you guys so much for bearing with me and for understanding. I am trying to be more intentional in my life. You know, it's been a journey, and I'm really just trying to be more intentional, like I say, with my decisions and with my home and with the things that I do bring into my home. Also, if y'all would like to know, if you don't already know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. But I did leave my job. Finally, I am so excited about it. I left in like the end of January, and I am so happy, you guys. I feel so much more energetic. My mental state is so much better, and just my physical body. I just, oh my gosh, I slept for the first like 2 weeks. I slept so well. So I just feel so happy and vibrant and just full of life, you guys. So I am ready to just conquer the world. But I am giving you guys this fireplace decor. I know, reading the comments, some people were asking, hey, where's the fireplace decorating? You know, we've seen these videos, and where's the fireplace decorating? So here it is. And I hope that you guys are inspired by it, and, you know, inspired to do something creative on your mantle or your shelves or coffee table or what have you. Just be as creative and as, you know, giddy as you want to be when it comes to decorating. It's your home, it's your style, and that's all that matters. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you guys very soon.
The thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door. And from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
So you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this pre-recorded spring mantle. Now, this is not what my spring mantle is going to look like this year, 2024. It's going to be similar, but the colors are going to be different. And I am also going to be adding a lot more. Like, my whole fireplace is just going to be a garden. And that is what I am so excited about, because I'm going to be infusing so many different florals and greenery and everything. So please stay tuned for that, because that will be coming up in March for sure. But I hope that you guys can take some inspiration from this video as well. If you're into all the pops of colors and everything, I love doing pops of colors for the different seasons, and this is why I keep my decor so neutral. So thank you guys so much for watching today, for joining me. I hope that you will subscribe if you're new here, and that you will meet me back here next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord, He loves you, and I love you too. See you guys next time. Bye.